So that's it for part one of making this video, making the cosmetic jar. Watch out for part two so that you can see how we ended up with this red art product. So guys, this is the part two of the finished red art product. So let's continue with where we left so that we can finish making up the cosmetic jar. Then face orientation, you can see this one is blue, this one is red. So to recalculate the normals, shift N, yeah, shift N. You see now they are all blue, so it means that all the normals have been recalculated. So let's go to the object mode. I want to add a background to this, so you can grab this G to grab, then Z to the Z, just there, then shift A to add a plane, size to the X, then size again to the Y, like that. Then I can go to edit mode, tab to go to edit mode, select this edge, then extrude to the Z, like that. Then we can add, you select the edge, then shift Control R to add some loop cuts. No, sorry, Control Z. Then Control B to bevel. You can add the bevels by scrolling your mouse like that. Then go to tab, shade, auto smooth. So you can add maybe a bottom to this somewhere that it can rest. So you can have shift A again, then a cube, size to the Z, then is it big enough here? Then size again to the Y, to the X, then size to the Y, like that. Then you can grab to the R to the Z so that it can rest on there. I'm just adding some details which are optional. It's not a must you add them. These details are optional. So you can these are optional details if you wish to add them. Yeah. Oh, you can remove the face orientation, by the way, sorry for that. Then we bevel this, Control B. Also tab, Control B. Bevel it, bevel. You can reduce the number of bevels. It cannot look so weird. Like that. Yeah. Like that. So generally that's our cream bottle. Now I want us to add some materials. Oh no, before we add some materials, let's add some light and camera. To add the camera, you go to the camera, you can see. So you can choose your orientation. That's our camera. That's how it will look like. So I think we can rotate this. Let's select the camera. After that, before we select, we can shade. After beveling this one, shade it auto smooth. Yeah, that looks nice to me. And I can go to so let's add our camera. Let's grab our camera. You can see where our camera is. Grab to the Y, not to the X. Over there. Grab to the Y, to the X. Then see, rotate it to the Z like that. Then I think you can grab to the Z so that can be lower. Then you can size it to be like that. So let's see. Yeah, that's our camera view. So we can adjust it. Select the camera. Come. Let's go to output. Adjust that. Then go back to camera, shift it to basically I'm just adjusting my camera. Then you can minimize the background. Yeah, I think that's pretty good enough for me. So we can now add the light. So to add the light, you go to shift A, you drop up to light. You can choose the light you want to add. For me, I want the, should we do area or 3 points? 3 points lights. So to see your lights, let's open another tab here. And then sorry. And then let's open another tab here. So there's the shading, is the render. So we can add the power of the lights. So for these lights, let's say I'll give it 1,000 watts. 1,000 watts. Too bright. Maybe 500 watts. Nice. Then select this one, you give it 500 watts also. 500. Then for this one, you give it 300 watts. That's so we can change the render, change it from EV to cycles. So you can see when you change it, this is how the cycles look like over here. Go here, material. Add material. I want it to be a bit transparent, so the weight, let's put the weight to 1. Then let's give it a color. Which color should we give it? See? You? Then can give it some roughness. Maybe over there. Make it rough a bit. You can see the render view over here. As it's rendering. Then we can add a different material to the lid. Let's give it should we give it a gray color or a pink? No, let's give it just a different color. That one. Let's also add the transmission so that you can see the details inside, and add some roughness like that, you can see. So to add materials, I want to add a material to this the platform is standing on. Let's which color? Let's give it a light pink. I don't know colors much, so a pink. Yeah, that's a good color. Pink. Then you can copy that color. So you copy, then copy material to selected. Yeah, like that. So you can see this one and this one got the same material. So let's see our product as it renders. I don't feel that this pink is too much pink, but I think it's okay. But yeah, so that's a simple tutorial of how to make a cosmetic bottle, and let's see it in a render. So when you want to render, you go to render, then render image. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add some labels in this cosmetic bottle. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and wait for the next video so that you can add labels together and learn together. Thank you, guys, and bye bye.